Hey guys, I'm Comeback Craig. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about the projected 2024 VA disability cost of living increase. Here's how it works. If you remember last year, we got a huge increase, 8.7%. So the numbers come from the CPIW, which is the inflation index, and they compare this year versus last year. And then the effective date for that is December 1st, 2023. But since we get paid a month behind in the arrears, we see that in our January 1st, 2024 check. So we already have the numbers for July. The August numbers are going to be coming out. And if that holds and it keeps going along this chart right here, the way I see it, it's not going to jump up a whole lot from here. I'm looking at the July numbers. I'll put a link in the description. I feel comfortable saying we're going to get a 2.5% cost of living increase in 2024. Yes, it's projected and it's give or take, but it's definitely not going to be like it was last year where it was 8.7%. So I get it. The cost of living increase versus actual real inflation is a joke. I'm interested in hearing what you have to say on this. Leave a comment below. Of course, to maximize the COLA increase, you need to get the highest possible VA disability rating, so you're maximizing your veterans benefits. If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my bootcamp at combatcraig.com. And medical evidence is what this is all about. Hit up my med team if you're having problems getting it. I'll see you in the next video.